Detoxifying Your Home, a comprehensive guide to decluttering. Our homes are sanctuaries where we seek comfort and peace. However, over time, they can accumulate various items that no longer serve us, turning our spaces into cluttered environments. The next few minutes will guide you through identifying these toxins in your home and the benefits of clearing them out. Let's embark on a journey to a cleaner, healthier, and more harmonious living space. The toxins of the house. Our homes can harbor various items that contribute to clutter and a sense of disarray. Identifying these toxins is the first step toward a more organized and serene environment. 1. Objects you no longer use. These items take up space and can create unnecessary stress. It's time to let go of objects that no longer serve a purpose in your life. 2. Clothes you don't like or haven't used in a while. Clothes that you haven't worn in a long time or don't like anymore, including damaged underwear, can add to the clutter. Donate or dispose of them to free up space. 3. Broken things. Broken items that you have been holding on to with the hope of fixing them someday often never get repaired. It's better to let them go. 4. Old cards and notes. While sentimental, old cards and notes can accumulate and contribute to clutter. Keep a few meaningful ones and recycle the rest. 5. Plants that are dead or sick. Dead or sick plants can negatively impact the energy of your home. Replace them with healthy, vibrant plants. 6. Receipts and old magazines. Receipts and old magazines can pile up quickly. Recycle or dispose of them to reduce clutter. 7. Shoes that are broken. Broken shoes that you no longer wear should be discarded to free up space in your closet. 8. Stuff of all kinds, calling the past. Items that remind you of the past can hold you back. Let go of things that no longer reflect who you are today. 9. Unused or broken toys. If you have children, unused or broken toys can add to the clutter. Donate or dispose of them to create a more organized space. The benefits of cleaning them out. Clearing out these toxins can have a profound impact on various aspects of your life. Here are some benefits you can expect. 1. Health gets better. A cleaner home can lead to better physical and mental health. Reducing clutter can decrease stress and improve overall well-being. 2. Creativity grows. A clutter-free environment can stimulate creativity and innovation. With fewer distractions, your mind is free to explore new ideas. 3. Relationships get better. A tidy home can foster better relationships. A peaceful environment can reduce conflicts and improve communication. 4. Greater reasoning capacity. With less clutter, your mind can focus better, leading to improved reasoning and decision-making abilities. 5. Improved mood. A clean and organized home can boost your mood and create a more positive outlook on life. Questions that might help cleansing. As you embark on your decluttering journey, ask yourself the following questions to guide your decisions. Why am I saving that? Question the necessity of each item. Understanding the reasons behind keeping something can help you make more informed decisions. Is it about me today? Consider whether the item reflects your current self. If it doesn't, it might be time to let it go. How will I feel if I release that? Think about the emotional impact of letting go. If releasing an item brings relief, it's a sign that you should part with it. Separate and classify. Organize your decluttering process by separating items into different categories. 1. To donate, items that are still in good condition but no longer serve you can be donated to those in need. 2. To throw. Dispose of items that are broken or no longer usable. 3. To sell. Consider selling items that have value but are no longer needed. This can also provide some extra income. Inside cleaning, reflected outside. As you clean your physical space, you'll notice changes in your internal state. Here are some tips to maintain a harmonious environment. 1. Avoid extreme noises. Minimize loud and disruptive noises to create a peaceful atmosphere. 2. Less strong lights. Use softer lighting to create a calming environment. 3. Less saturated colors. Choose colors that promote tranquility and relaxation. 4. Less chemical odors. Opt for natural cleaning products to reduce chemical odors in your home. 5. Less sad memories. Remove items that evoke sad memories to create a more positive space. 6. Finish unfinished projects. Completing unfinished projects can provide a sense of accomplishment and reduce clutter. 7. Cultivate positive energy in your home. Surround yourself with items that bring joy and positive energy. This can enhance the overall atmosphere of your home. Practical steps for decluttering. Here are some practical steps to help you get started with decluttering. 1. Do a general cleaning. Begin with a general cleaning to get rid of obvious clutter and make the process more manageable. 2. Use boxes for organization. Utilize boxes to categorize items and keep things organized during the decluttering process. 3. Start with drawers and cabinets. Begin with smaller areas like drawers and cabinets. Conclude each section before moving on to the next to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 4. Take your time. Decluttering is a process. Go at your own pace to ensure you make thoughtful decisions. Categories for sorting items. As you sort through your belongings, categorize them into the following groups. A. Trash. Items that are no longer usable and should be discarded. B. Arrangements, items that need to be arranged or organized within your home. C. Recycling items that can be recycled to reduce waste. D. In doubt items you are unsure about. Revisit them later to make a final decision. E. Gifts, items that can be given as gifts to friends or family. F. Donation items that are still in good condition and can be donated. G. Sell items that have value and can be sold. Watch what changes in you. As you cleanse your home, pay attention to the changes in your mental and emotional state. A cleaner space often leads to a clearer mind. As we clean our physical house, we also place order to our mind and heart. Practice detachment with material things that just fill your space, and you'll see how you'll slowly be able to do the same with more momentous situations. If you found today's message meaningful, kindly share, like, or comment. Your involvement and interaction truly make a difference. And to stay connected with our content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple. Stay inspired, keep growing, and live your best life forever changed and forever free. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.